Again, this is Mixmaster Math, M cubed, your math teacher's twin that loves doing proofs and loves doing videos for you. All right. Um, First statement is to state the given. I'm not going to waste time doing that. What the given says is this little piece of segment over here is congruent to this little piece over here. But we want to get this segment AC congruent to this segment CD. Okay. So it should be at this point in your math career pretty elementary to you to realize we need to somehow get, right? We need to somehow get this green piece involved here, right? Because using the segment addition so that we can look at this whole segment and this whole segment being the same by adding the two little red marked segments with the green segment, right? But we've got to break this down. It seems so elementary, but it takes a little bit of effort to break this down, right? So after you've stated the given, I want to say, right, that AB plus BC is equal to AC. And if you want to do it in the same line, you could say CD plus BC equals BD, right? And that way we get AC involved and we get BD involved. We know we've got to get those lengths involved because of what we want to prove, right? And that is just simply the segment addition postulate, which I let you abbreviate as seg add post. Okay. Oh no. All right. Next statement. Okay. Now remember, AB and BCD were given to be congruent. So I can say AB equals CD by the definition of congruency. Okay. Because if they were congruent, remember you said that back up in the given. AB is congruent to CD. I'll go ahead and write that in. Since they are congruent, I can say they're equal in length, right? But I can't just transfer over to equality without saying it. Right? Now, since these things are equal, this should be flowing pretty easily for you now. Since these things are equal, I can substitute for one of them. So let me think I'm going to substitute AB for CD, right? This thing right here and this thing right here are the same. So I can substitute it in there and say that AB plus BC equals BD. That's by substitution. Property of equality, right? Now look at this green statement. Look at this green. I'll highlight this green statement and this top red statement. They are exactly the same, except that the right side is different, right? This side is different from this side. But if you think about it, AC is equal to AB plus BC, and BD is equal to AB plus BC. So since they are equal to the same thing, right? AC is equal to AB plus BC, and BD equals AB plus BC. So AC is equal to BD by the transitive property. You could probably also say substitution there, right? Uh, you could substitute BD for the left side over there if you wanted. So either one, transitive or substitution works there. They are not always interchangeable, but in that case they are. And so now the last step is just to actually say what we want to prove, right? We didn't actually say exactly what we want to prove. We want to say AC, the segment, is congruent to BD, the segment, not just the length, right? And that is by definition of congruency or definition of congruent segments. All right.